Hi everyone, this is Sai from SQL School and I have been certified on SQL DBA since 2007. With my complete control and command on the subject, I can make you a true and confident SQL DBA within 2 months. Trust me, SQL DBA with Azure and AI is doing very good in the market, and very less number of profiles who are really talented or who are really ready to become a DBA outside. I can make you a complete DBA. I can make you job ready. Come on, let's get into the details of our actual classes. As a DBA, we are like database doctors, Yes, we need to check the health of the databases. In my classes, I'm going to teach you right from the scratch what is database. I'm going to make you understand what is what from scratch. As a DBA, we'll be involved in optimizations, various types of tuning activities. As a DBA, we need to work with maintenance activities, health check activities, repairs, troubleshooting, updates, upgrades, cloud migrations, high availability, disaster recovery, and a lot of other stuff pertaining to management and maintenance activities. Everything in a single nutshell, I am going to teach you step by step with detailed notes, with detailed step-by-step activities, assignments, and lot of use case scenarios with hands-on labs. Who can become a DBA? You, me, everyone out there. Starters, experienced IT and non-IT professionals, or someone have some gap. Yes, they can also become a DBA. I can make them a DBA with my proactive troubleshooting based activities, carefully aligned course curriculum with step-by-step examples, right from installation issues to always on, high availability, optimization, security scenarios, and lot of issues and repair activities. I can make you a true, challenging, confident database administrator to win a good pay scale. In the IT market, data is common. Databases are always available, and we need DBAs to master and monitor them 24/7. The infographic you see on my screen clearly indicates the job profiles of a DBA. Of course, the major share of DBA job role is towards optimizations. I'm going to concentrate more on optimizations. Unlike other database administration training activities outside, my DBA classes are very much detailed, and you will see a lot of difference. Number 1 in our website, number 2 in our course curriculum, number 3 in our demo videos. That can clearly indicate the kind of difference, the kind of uniqueness we impart in our actual training classes. One more. You see total of 40 activities on my screen pertaining to the core DBA concepts. One more. Yes, on my screen another 50 items pertaining to advanced DBA. Total 90 activities I am going to teach you step by step. Of course, all concepts, and then paired with these 90 activities for you to win DP300 certification, Microsoft Certified Database Administrator. Very amazing certification for you to work on it. My classes will surely give you the best score. Trust me. In my SQL DBA classes, as you see on my screen, to become a true DBA, we need to learn all these items. We are going to start from scratch database introduction and end with project work. Complete guidance, no stone unturned, will be into my classes. I want you to get a true certified Microsoft DBA, and the certificate from our school also wins a lot of additional benefits for you in your interview room. We have been here for more than 20 years. with our legacy, with our value and Microsoft partner logo. Yes, your training certificate in addition to Microsoft DP 300 certificate are going to have nice value adds in your resume. See you there in our actual live classes. We shall wait for your questions, clarifications. We shall wait for your enrollment in our actual course, either live or self-paced videos, anything. We have the same content, same curriculum, same care and love for your course to make you the next DBA in the market. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care.